Welcome back, and here we be looking at the Neco 2023 marking guide for paper 1, section B on building drawing, and we are looking at that of the front elevation, how the marks were awarded to the construction of the front elevation. And as I said, this is very, very important for you to know as technical drawing students so that you can obtain possible marks. Okay, so let's look at how the marks were awarded to the construction of the front elevation. Okay, so this is the solution, the front elevation obtained, and let's look at the marks that were given to each part of the work here. So the first one that we have here in the figure 1 says, for drawing to correct scale, 1:100, as I said before. So making use of that scale is very, very important. So you have to divide each dimension given to you in the drawing by 100. And for doing that, you have 1 mark. Then for drawing and indicating the ground level, for drawing and indicating the ground level, 1 mark. This is the ground level. And that must be the first thing that you have to draw. Okay, so just like we have a floor or the ground that a building is to be constructed on. Okay, so you must draw this line first, this thick line. So you draw it first and indicate it. So indicate it with GL. So this GL is what we use to indicate ground level. So take note of that. Then for drawing 4 walls in elevation, for drawing 4 walls in elevation, 4 walls in elevation. So where do we have those 4 walls in elevation? So we have what? We have this particular wall. So we have this one here, we have this, and then we have this. So those are the 4 walls in elevation. 2 marks were awarded to that. Then for drawing floor finish at the veranda, so 1 mark. So floor finish at veranda this is the floor finish that they are talking about. So this particular part is the floor finish in the veranda. So we are going to see this floor clearly. So very, very important. So 1 mark is awarded to that. Then for drawing column, one at veranda. So for drawing 1 column at veranda, this is the column that they are talking about. Okay, so this is the column. So for drawing that, you have 1 mark. And for drawing beams, 2 at veranda. So for drawing 2 beams at veranda, to where the 2 beams, so we have 1 here, this is 1, and this is the second one. Those are the 2 beams in the veranda. So 2 marks were awarded to that. And for drawing 3 windows with glass sliding convention, 3 marks. So this is 1 window, 1, 2, 3. Then you must make sure you put the conventional symbol there, that this windows is made of glass. Okay, so very, very important. And for drawing 1 double metal door, so 1.5 marks. So this is 1 double metal door they are talking about. Okay, so 1.5 marks were awarded to that. Then for drawing east projection of facial board, then we have 2 marks. So east projection is distance between this wall and the end of the roof. This projection is distance between the wall and the end of the roof. Then for the facial board is the facial board. So for drawing it, you have 2 marks for that. And for correct roof shape, hipped, 2 marks. So this is how the hip roof should look. So this is how it looks. So we have to draw it in this form. So we have 2 marks for that. And for writing front elevation beneath the drawing, 1 mark. So as I said, on that of the floor plan, so you must write it. You must show that this is the front view of front elevation. You write it down here. So 1 mark is awarded to that. 1 mark is very, very important. Then for neatness and quality of lines work, 1 mark. So the total marks awarded to this is 18.5 marks. So make sure you put the right thing. So as we are told here, for neatness and quality of lines, the work should be neat. And then all the parts that need to be feasible, make sure you produce them and make them feasible. So that will enable you to have possible possible maximum marks in this work. It's very, very simple. So just put in all your best, and then by God's grace, you have your work awarded with very big marks. Thank you, and keep on practicing. God bless you.